Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be looking at automatic updates on your Mac. So let's get started. On the top left hand side of your Mac, you're going to see the Apple logo. So at the top left hand side, Apple logo, click on it. And from there you're going to see two options, System Preferences and App Store. We're going to go through both of them. Let's just start up with the App Store. So once we open up the App Store beside the Apple logo, you're just going to see App Store. Just click on it again. And from there, your second option will say Preferences. So under Preferences, you will see these two options, Automatic Updates and Automatically Download Apps purchased on other devices. So what we have to turn on or off, depending what you would like to do, just have a check mark there turned on or off. So I'm just going to click right there and there we go. So if I have a check mark right there, that means it's going to update all those apps automatically on my Mac. Now the second option, if I have that turned on, well, that just means it's going to download apps automatically that are purchased on other devices. For now, if you guys would like to turn any of these off, just don't have a check mark. So just click right there and there you go. All you guys have to do is close this window and you're done. If you would like any automatic updates to be turned on, then just have your check mark right there and you're all done. You can close this up. So for now, we're just going to close this. We're going to show you another option on your Mac. So once again, we're going to go on the top left hand side, Apple logo, and let's just go right into System Preferences. Under System Preferences, down here below, you will see Software Update. So that's your third option down here below. It's going to say Software Update. So click on Software Update. Once you click on Software Update, you're going to see this. So at this point, to turn on or off any automatic updates, it's going to be down here below. It's going to say automatically keep my Mac up to date. If you guys have a check mark turned on, then that means it's going to keep your Mac up to date automatically. You don't have to worry about anything. And if there's no check mark, like so, I'm just going to turn off automatic updates. There we go. That means it's not going to do that by itself. You will have to do it and check for the updates. Of course, you're always going to get those notifications on your Mac that your Mac needs an update. And that way you can do it yourself, which is what I suggest doing. I don't suggest having automatic updates turned on. That way you know that you guys have a backup done before any updates get installed. Because some updates do come with glitches, or you may want even to go back before the update ever happened. So that's why I don't have these turned on myself. However, if you do want to turn them on, just put a check mark right there by clicking on it and you're all done. That's how you guys can turn on and off automatic updates right here on your Mac. It doesn't really matter which Mac you guys have. It could be an iMac, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, Mac Mini, Mac Pro. It's all the same for all of them. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.